guys, it's me, Chef Fox, and I'm here today to promote my new cookbook, Cooking with Foxx Secret Recipes. I'm going to walk you through some of the recipes that are in my book. If you love seafood, you have to try my seafood pasta. It is amazing. This Tso Chicken recipe that I've included in the book will make you never need takeout again. It is simply amazing. In Maryland, we love us some crab. This hot creamy crab dip is just one that you must have. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. Enjoy it with either chips or bread and you'll love it. These are my infamous Foxx wings. They're sweet and spicy. You'll love them. My blue cheese asparagus is just simply different and you should try it. My sweet ginger salmon is to die for, but the bonus here is that the sauce is created from scratch, so you can use this sauce on different meats. I mean, have fun with these recipes. Spicy ramen bowl. This made the book because it's literally one of my son's favorites, so I said why not? Let everyone get a taste of what he enjoys. Shrimp fried rice is another one of my takeout faves, and since we are home and we don't want to take out as much, I included it in the book for you guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed this one. The sun was shining this day. This is a sweet chili calamari. This is a fun one. Since releasing the book, the Mandarin lamb chops, this one has been made the most. I've been seeing you guys tag me and I've been reposting all of your videos. I love to see it. My BLT Crab Cakes, this one is special. It also includes a special sauce, and that's beef bacon, by the way. We don't eat pork in my house, so yeah, I'm sure that you would love this recipe. I mean, it's a crab cake. This is shrimp and broccoli, another one of my famous takeout recipes. I hope that you guys enjoy this one. It really tastes like authentic takeout. I had to include the buttermilk fried chicken recipe. I just had to. I mean, it goes well with the mac and cheese. This one was really fun to make. Get the kids in the kitchen if you have some, or team up with your lover, your partner, and create this dish. And this is a really good one here. It's fun to make and it also tastes great. That was just a few of the recipes included in my book. There's 43 recipes in total, some including cocktails. The link to order is in the description box below. Thank you so much for cooking with Fox. With more for the back,